Hello friends, today we are going to learn the features of .NET Framework. Microsoft .NET Framework is a computing platform for developing distributed applications for the internet. So now let's see one by one the following features. First, first it is to provide a high degree of language interoperability. Language interoperability means cross language support, cross platform support, which means that different languages like Java, SQL, PHP, HTML or XML can be brought into a single shade or a platform, and all these languages can be used to build up a single application. Second is that to provide a runtime environment that completely manages code execution. A runtime environment in the form of CLR. CLR stands for Common Runtime Environment. VB.NET provides us a runtime environment in the form of CLR, which executes each and every code in managed way. Managed code is the code that works in the compliance of CLR. So third is to provide a very simple software deployment and versioning model. It allows us the compatibility to deploy a software once it is built. That is to create a .exe file is very simple using .NET Framework, and also it provides a simple versioning model. So now you might be wondering that what is the versioning model. So let me tell you that versioning model is a type of feature which allows different assemblies of different versions to come under a single platform without getting obstacles for the software, or without becoming a headache for the software to differentiate between these different versions. So each and every assembly with the same features can have different versions. This is known as simplified versioning model. And fourth is to provide a high level code security through code access security and strong type checking. High access code security. This is done through the CLR. That is, each and every code is managed by the CLR compliance, so that no external application other than the VB.NET can access the code. Hence, the code is very safe and secure. Hence, no other application running outside the VB.NET can access the code. Hence, the code is very safe and secure. And as compared to the unmanaged code, it can directly access the CPU resources, and hence other applications can also access this code. So the VB.NET code is very secure as it follows CLR compliance. Also it obeys strong type checking rules. Type checking means that each and every data type which is entered by the user is cross-checked with the system's data type. If it matches, then only the permission is granted by the system, and the code is permitted. Else it is not permitted. This is known as strong type checking. Then fifth feature is that to provide a consistent object-oriented programming model. So you might be aware about object-oriented programming model. All the languages such as Java or C++ are object-oriented. Object-oriented in the sense that they contain features like polymorphism, abstraction, data encapsulation, inheritance, etc. These all features are present in .NET Framework. Hence, it is known as object-oriented programming model. Sixth feature is that to facilitate application communication by using industry standards such as SOAP and XML. So these industry standards such as SOAP and XML are the typical protocols which are used for inter-application communication. If suppose there are multiple developers working on the same software, then the communication between them is granted by the means of SOAP and XML. These protocols work after that. And the last feature is that to simplify web application development. So web application development means that building an application or a .exe file which facilitates the sending and receiving of data through internet. Hence, it is not just an offline application, but it is an online application. Hence, the data connectivity is present in this application. This is known as simplified web application development by using the languages such as XML, HTML, PHP, etc. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and share.